Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port. So connect the second USB-C cable right at this port. And on the front side we see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And this is the only way. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use reverse wireless charging from the phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!